One of the most complex parts of that particular system that the Rapido was making was the Sub2000 bolt head. And the Sub2000 bolt head is quite a complex part, and it was made off of rod stock using lead alloy, and we use a case hardening process on the backside. But that allowed us to increase production rates up to 1,500 to 2,000 parts per week, which is quite a large number. That's about 400 pieces per day. On our horizontals, they definitely weren't doing that. And we enjoyed high production rates for very many years, and that translates itself into great price points for the customer.